How to request a vehicle on Auto Mart. Firstly, visit the Request a Car tab on automart.coza. You can choose between a car and a bike. I got my eyes set on a sweet new ride. Select the make. Let's go for a Mazda. And we'll make it a Mazda 3, with the oldest model being 2008. I have about 70 grand in my budget, so let's go for the 65 to 80,000 range. The maximum mileage can be around 130,000 kilometers. And for additional details, let's just say I want a car with a full service history available to view. I want to trade in a vehicle too, so I'll select between a bike and a car. I'm trading in my old car. It's a Ford, and the model is a Fiesta from 2001. I got about 140,000 kilometers on the mileage. It's worth about 30 grand. I could save quite a chunk of money this way. It isn't currently financed. I have an accident history and a full service history. I think people can come and view it after work. Then, upload your photos once completed. I can then go on to type in my name, Callum Bransford, my email, cbransford2020@gmail.com, and phone number 084-123-4567. Then select the province I live in and submit. Voila! As simple as that. Buy or sell your cars and bikes on Auto Mart. Auto Mart, South Africa's biggest automotive marketplace.